Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets rose on Thursday after the US Federal Reserve overnight raised its benchmark interest rate for the first time in almost a decade, marking the end of the central bank's unprecedented zero interest rate policy. Citing the economic outlook and the time it takes for policy actions to take effect, the Fed raised the target range for the federal funds rate to 0.50%, marking the first interest rate increase since 2006. The Japanese market is sharply higher after the Federal Reserve raised interest rates for the first time in more than 9 years overnight. Additionally, a weaker yen bolstered export stocks. In late morning trades, the benchmark Nikkei 225 index is gaining 2.21%. The benchmark ASX 200 index is adding 1.41%. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is higher against the US dollar, recovering after the US Federal Reserve's first rate hike in nearly 10 years. In early trades Thursday, the local unit was trading at 0.7256 US dollars, up from 0.7206 US dollars on Wednesday. Crude oil prices tumbled Wednesday, extending 6-year lows after the Federal Reserve hiked interest rates for the first time in almost a decade. WTI oil for February delivery declined 1.83 US dollars, or 4.9% to settle at $35.52 US dollars per barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. A day after the Federal Reserve decided to raise interest rates for the first time in nearly a decade, it's time to refocus on the real economy. Germany ifo Business Climate Indicator 9 GMT. Europe's biggest economy has faced a number of challenges in recent months, but the macro trend remains resilient. Today's survey numbers for the ifo Institute offers another profile of expectations based on the cross-section of businesses in Germany. The ifo data has been trending higher lately, and the December update is expected to bring another round of improvement. Econoday.com's consensus forecast sees the ifo's trio of benchmarks taken up in the year's closing month. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.